My name is Caitlin Hecker, and this is my cultural diversity in Roosevelt. Starting off, what is cultural diversity? According to Merriam-Webster Dictionary, culture is defined as the customary beliefs, social forms, and material traits of a racial, religious, or social group. Diversity is defined as the condition of having or being composed of differing elements. Together, they both make the definition cultural diversity. A system of beliefs and behaviors that recognizes and respects the presence of all diverse groups in an organization or society, acknowledges and values their socio-cultural differences, and encourages and enables their continued contribution within an inclusive cultural context which empowers all within the organization of society. And that was contributed by Belfield from Purdue University Global. So looking at the cultural diversity in Roosevelt, our school is comprised mostly of white students or Caucasian students. Their percentage is at close to 96%. The remaining 4% of our population is represented by Hispanics and then other, and both of those are equal at 2%. So what does this mean for teachers and staff of Roosevelt? According to Tang, individuals in different cultural groups go through a socialization process from a natural state of being to a societal state of being. In modern society, formal education plays an extremely important role in this process. This is because regardless of what profession, individuals in every ethnic group have essential life questions such as, who am I, where am I from, and where should I go? In the past, these questions would be answered and explained by family education, community education, and church education. However, in today's modern society, people spend most of the socialization process in schools. As teachers and staff within the elementary school building, it is our responsibility to help guide students, help educate them in who they are, who they want to become, and how they are going to get there. According to Caleb Rosada from Purdue University Global, there are 7 actions that are involved in multiculturalism that teachers and staff can practice daily within the elementary school. The first one being recognition of the abundant diversity of cultures. The second one is respecting of the differences between cultures. Acknowledging the validity of different cultural expressions and contributions. Valuing what other cultures offer. So whether that's a contribution to the economic system, a contribution of different foods, of different religious backgrounds, of different clothing. Encouraging the contribution of diverse groups. Empowering people to strengthen themselves and others to achieve their maximum potential by being critical of their own biases. Celebrating rather than just tolerating the differences in order to bring about unity through diversity. It is our job to appreciate our differences. Diversity is not a deficit, and we need to practice this within our classroom and model it for our students so they are practicing the same beliefs. The world is watching, so within the school we can continue to practice accepting different cultures and beliefs by being mindful of our instruction. This includes having appropriate body language and eye contact, being respectful of the different cultures, whether their beliefs are to shake hands or to cover their faces. We need to be respectful of this and understanding. We need to create a safe place and build positive relationships. We need to use role models and community members and bring them into the school to share beliefs, share culture, help inform our students and our staff. We need to take the time to listen and never stop believing in our students. We need to differentiate our instruction based off of cultural beliefs. And we need to provide access to culturally diverse books. These are just 2 examples that can be found within our libraries in the school. Thank you for watching.